So in 2014, the offshore industry certainly had significant expansion around the areas of float-over projects, which are occurring many places in the world, and as well the major FPSO and FLNG projects that are currently under construction in various parts of the world, primarily, for instance, Korea and Southeast Asia. So we saw tremendous growth in 2014 in those areas as it applied to the adoption of technology in solving offshore engineering problems. In 2015, certainly as everyone at the event knows, current oil prices are in the short term, certainly in a slump at about $47 or $48 US per barrel. But we anticipate and really think that's just a very short-term dip and expect oil prices to return to $75 to $80 per barrel in a very short period of time. Currently within the offshore industry, areas that are receiving a lot of attention are specifically areas of asset performance management and also structural integrity management. As an example, in November of 2013, the American Petroleum Institute just adopted the first edition of the AP2 SIM program for structural integrity management, ensuring the overall safety of facilities and the structural integrity of older facilities, which of course ties to the safety of the staff that works on offshore rigs. At the same time, we're seeing a significant area of interest around asset performance management and maintenance management, and being able to anticipate and better schedule maintenance procedures and maintenance schedules for heavy equipment that occurs on existing platforms as well as floating semi-submersibles. Currently in 2015, the areas that I have alluded to in my previous comments that we're seeing significant interest is in the area of asset performance management and maintenance. In many areas of the world, many of the very, very old fixed platform rigs are at the end of their life cycle. Without question, the economics of extending the life of an existing platform is far better than having to build an entirely new platform. So we're seeing a heavy area of interest in life cycle extension, asset performance management, and then as well reanalysis of existing older rigs in order to extend the life where they may have been previously damaged either through ship impact, blast analysis, or even corrosion, and having to verify and reanalyze the safety of the facilities themselves due to these areas of, again, corrosion, marine growth, ship impact. One of the other areas that we're starting to see high interest as exploration is much more frequent now in Arctic conditions is the analysis of fixed platforms for ice loading. And that tends to be, again, an area of extreme loading conditions as ice impacts and grows up and forms on the existing fixed rigs. Of course, as every engineer knows, maintenance of large and valuable infrastructure assets is a key important contributor to the overall health of the facility and the overall efficiency of the facility. Maintenance programs themselves and maintenance management systems have been adopted and available for technology for the last 20 or 30 years. But an area of maintenance that is gaining a lot of interest today is specifically around asset performance management for key, for instance, rotating equipment that exists on, again, very large and in many cases older fixed platforms as well as semi-submersibles. The investment that a company can make in their maintenance program, and specifically predictive maintenance, not simply scheduled or reactive maintenance, but the key is the ability to perform predictive maintenance on these older assets in order to extend their life.